I'm not this thing. I don't know how to friend him on
How
this
would I
thing
add
though.
that to how would I add that to index.html first
Uh,
message?
uh, what?
How would I add that to index.html?
Index.html, you just paste the code into the same place where you put the script. There.
Okay. Like it doesn't show up here in like
It's best
the
to
window area
separate
thing.
it. It's best to separate it into different scripts. So, first of all, your indentation needs to be correct.
Sorry, I was just pressing tab repeatedly. I didn't know what I was supposed to do with indentations.
Not go crazy.
I was just going crazy with tab. I was using
There.
Notepad when I wrote this, so
Oh yeah. Well, you probably shouldn't be if you're gonna use Notepad. Well, this is I don't know. This is a HTML file. You could even do style,
yeah, style.
and that would be the same as a CSS file. But it's always best to separate your scripts into all different files instead of just one big place. Because if it gets to be like 2,000 lines, first of all, can it actually start lagging if it gets to be that long? And second of all, it's a whole lot better for organization.
Okay.
Did you turn on dark mode?
Yes.
Good. Okay, anyways, so what do you want to know now?
Console.rate. I'm editing this. Or
Why
document.rate. I wonder if this will work.
it will work if that function works. Right
Document.write
line?
works.
What?
Yeah, it works. Kind of. Let's just. I'll have to remove this.
Oh, right line. Right line. Right line. Right line.
Something on something. Okay, hold up.
Right line.
First.
Oh, nice. You removed it.
First message.
JavaScript thing because people do things sometimes. And why not? What did you do?
Document.write line. What does document.write line do?
I thought. Oh, why did you change this in? Oh, set timeout. Why did you change the interval?
I
Was it?
didn't mean to.
Oh, yeah.
It's document.write.
Well, in Java, if you do system.out.println, it makes the next message be on the next line instead of on the same one. And I notice that's actually a function here, so.
Yeah, but it's removing the word first now.
Oh, that. Oh, maybe it's replacing it. I don't know. Well, you can just do this.
Oh,
What? Right,
did your
right.
replit like crash or something?
Oh, mine did not.
Mine didn't.
Why'd you ask?
Because I don't know.
Okay.
Like your thing just like froze out of nowhere. I was like, oh,
What
what happened?
thing?
Like you know, like if you're like in a Google document with someone else, and, like they like highlight some like a word or something, you can like see them highlight it. It was like that, but like it just like froze
Oh,
when you
maybe.
did the backslash n, whatever that does. What does backslash n do?
Next line.
Oh, that's not working.
Anyways, what I think we should be doing is console.log. So then it writes the console thing below. The top thing I think is reserved for visual outputs.
I know. That's what I wanted it to do.
Yeah, but for the things I make, it's just weird to me that that very idea, it just doesn't make much sense.
Okay, so if I put this here, will this work? Like if I did it like that?
Uh, then it'd go to the console thing here.
Like, would it like put it in like the console and on the screen?
Well, if you have two lines like that, then yeah.
Okay, good.
Function log var var input.
Didn't work. It's probably because you're in the middle of doing something, maybe.
There you go. Now you can use the log function.
Okay.
Input. I don't need to put the type. Okay, this is weird. I officially called JavaScript weird again. I don't know if I ever did before, but
I'll give my message.
yeah, I haven't ever had this problem because I've never used document.write before.
Oh.
Log, yes. That has no quotes in it or around it. I don't know how it wasn't erroring out there, but should have maybe either did undefined or something. There you go.
Yeah. Let's get rid of that. First message. Oh, Kittycraft, now you can send this to people.
Why?
Because you always do the first message thing when you get the first message in like a Discord server or something.
Oh,
and
well,
you
that's
always
so I
pin
can
it.
pin it. Yeah, that's so I can pin it though. First thing
And you can send
together.
that to people. And you can brag that you have first message.
I rather not brag. I do it just to pin it and no other reason.
Why is Angel saying she loves me? That's very strange.
She does that a lot. Just send her to me, ha ha ha, because she does
It's
that
really
to me as
annoying
well.
too because I hate her so much.
Well, then say go do that to somebody else. Anyways, canvas ID canvas. Why is this the canvas hash? Oh, you're doing that. Hashtag the canvas.
I wasn't typing at all.
How did you get dot wow?
What do you mean? I wasn't doing anything. Yes? Okay. Position absolute. Nice. First message. Oh. Is it possible to make images show up on the screen after it does that? That'd be funny.
Yeah, probably, but it'd be very difficult.
All right. I'll be right back. I have to help my mom bring in groceries.
Understandable.
Yeah.
Doge. Ah, when I look up Doge now it shows up Dogecoin. What? It doesn't even have that original image first. Okay, what? It's all okay. Minus Dogecoin. There you go. Now the results are back to normal. More tools, time. Okay. Original Doge. Oh, nice. Original Doge meme sells for over $4 million at auction. Also, there's a funny what the. Oh wow, I haven't seen that image before. Huh. Wow, there's a new image of Doge. Looking at a hand, huh? Well, anyways, copy image address. Copyright laws, what are those? Ha 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 ha. the canvas. What? Okay, I don't like this autofill. There you go, there's a dodge. Now it's gone. It's a dodge. Style, width. There you go. About blank. I don't know what link means. Think they did, I don't know, and then just 4 random letters. Because who knows? Who knows why he does such things, but he does. It's not loading. There it goes. Now it's loaded. Look at that image.
My
and all
mom
it's
isn't
loaded.
home yet, so
Wow.
yeah.
Look at what I did.
Yuki wookie.
Look at what I did.
I don't know.
Play
What
it.
did you do?
Play it. Also, I removed the...
Oh, it does an image.
Yeah, it's just instant though. Also, I removed your document.write thing because it seems to replace every single HTML thing, so it's kind of broken.
Okay, well, it's just I watched like the first
Actually,
2
get on
minutes of
video.
a tutorial, and that's how they said to do it. So
Well, document.write is not good in my opinion. Anyways, this is how I did the image thing.
is this like a website? Did you just put a website in here?
No, it's the link to an image. So what you can do is you can look up an image and then just right click on it and do the copy image address, and then you can just paste it here and do that. Inspect. Ah, draggable. Whatever. Edit HTML. Edit HTML.
My mom is home now.
What? Your mother?
Yes, I'm here.
Mother. Mother. What is it? Auto-filling here as well. Okay, whatever. There. Why is it the RAM taking so much? Velocity, I've sent you an image. Ba 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 la ba ba ba. Aha. I'm number 4. What the? What? This person! How much did they move to get out of this? I'm number 2. Aha, I'm number 2. I'm now trapped in a large encasing thing. There's a oh, now I'm killing people somehow. And now there's a big open space. Wee. I'm number 1. Is this me? Oh, I think it's me. Ah, I got killed. Oh, it wasn't me. Okay. That's weird. I got number 1. That's crazy though. Actually, I can probably sustain my survival just by going in circles. Hello? Are you back? No? That sucks. We. What do these lines say? Which side's the front, maybe? Huh.
Hey.
Nice. Hey, you're back! What's up?
Probably. I swear to God, if this DM I have is from Angel, I'm gonna, like, punch something.
Why is she going to you?
Right? Like, you already fucking left me, bitch. Leave me alone.
Yeah. I don't know, it's with some people sometimes, but they're like that. I died. Oh yeah, anyways, you're back. I was just playing Powerline. Actually got like first. It's crazy. Oh yeah, anyways. Look at the DM I sent you.
You do realize that Iris is literally a shader mod, and there's zoom mods.
No, I didn't notice that. And you're responding to old messages. Just look at the DM. Between us, our DMs. Do you see the image I sent you?
Yeah, I know.
Look
I
at
saw.
it. It's
I
funny.
changed the image.
It's funny.
I changed the image. Do you like it?
No.
Do you like what I changed the image to?
No.
Why not?
I don't know. I just want Doge or not Doge.
But I like the image.
But what's wrong with Doge? And why do you remove the style?
I just squirted apple juice into my eye.
Oh no, are you okay? Are you going to die? I'm sorry, but I have a Doge in the way of my files. I can't click on them anymore, so I'll have to reload the page. But anyways, there's this thing called a canvas as well. It's pretty nice.
I knew about the canvas.
The canvas?
Do
you know how you can draw things on
about
it?
JavaScript I already knew about.
You can actually draw things on it as well. What? You set the background color to be something funny. And
It's not even loaded. It's not even there.
Yeah, I don't know what's with that. I think it's actually there, but it's just white. Somehow, for whatever reason, it's still white.
Would it be the image?
No.
My dog just
There.
is a menace.
The canvas. The canvas. The canvas. What? Where is the canvas? The canvas.
I don't know, man.
The canvas. The canvas. Game canvas.
How do you make movement and stuff?
What move?
Like 3D game engine and stuff.
I took months to learn that.
Okay.
I can try to teach you what I know about it.
Okay.
It'll just take a extremely long time.
I'm fine with that.
So, before you want to learn to code, you need to know all the concepts. What is happening with the RAM and the CPU? What is happening here, huh? So, do you know of geometry?
I'm in pre-algebra right now. I think think I know geometry. That's like the shapes and stuff, right?
Yeah, that's like a whole bunch of geometry, and then you use these things called matrices, which actually are the part of this thing called linear algebra, which actually comes after calculus. I don't know much about that, but it's pretty crazy. I don't know why this isn't working. Huh?
I'm decent at geometry. I'm okay at it.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy stuff. Canvas. Oh, this is probably why, because your .wow may be erroring. I don't know.
My dot what?
.wow thing.
What the hell is a dot wild?
Wow.
Oh,
I
I
don't
didn't
know.
even make that.
Yeah, I don't know why that's there either. Why is it... Okay, so this other thing... Yep, it works. It works great. My fantastic 3D engine, but not the canvas. Why isn't the canvas working? Okay, whatever. Import setup. Okay.
Neptune, go away. Neptune, I don't want to play. Go away.
The dog.
Okay, fine. You can lay down there.
Script src
Stop staring
setup
at me. I'm not giving you food.
.js. Version is not defined. Okay, getting somewhere. There. And
I should introduce you to CodePen.
I think I've tried that before, and it's like blocked at school or something for whatever reason. Wait, no, I think it only allows you one project without paying for anything, so I can't really use it.
Well, it's not blocked at my school.
I don't think it's blocked at my school, but yeah, it's not blocked, but I try like make an account, and it's like you need to be 18 or over to make an account, and I was like, I don't want to get into this stuff. And it was also saying, do you want the premium subscription? It allows you to make more than one project, implying there's like you can only make one project without paying for it. So yeah. Anyways, I think we should maybe make a new project. Can you make a new project so then like
we have something normal?
Yeah, that, and also so then I can actually try a new project to see if there's something wrong with the project that's making the canvas not colored.
What's this cheese gold thing you sent me earlier?
Cheese gold?
Yeah.
Oh, cheese gold.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's a thing I found on Replit. It's kind of funny. It's like a search engine, and you can see what happens when you search anything up, all the results. They're just about cheese. It's like only the results that are about
I made
cheese.
a new thing.
Okay, can you send me the link to it?
Yeah.
I just sent you an image of the canvas. There's a little line on there. That line is how I know that it's loaded. So I'm gonna teach you about the magic numbers. This is what I call them, which are just sine and cosine. They let you make circles. And I'll let you play around with that for a while, maybe. That's the plan. I don't know if it'll go according to plan. Why is RAM so high when nothing's happening? RAM is just
what the hell happened? I tried to control V and it didn't.
Can you like copy and paste? Oh, there.
I was trying to.
Adored offbeat certifications. You didn't name it. Okay. Default name. Oh, that's what happens. I guess I've never. Yeah, I've never done that before. Huh. Get the canvas and the stuffs we okay. Okay, so canvas ID canvas one setup.js be broken. Huh?
Well, Angel decided that she's gonna argue with me, so that's just great, isn't it?
I don't know why I didn't. Oh, .wow already exists. Okay, I don't know what that is. Hey, did it? It actually did. It worked. Yes, because of its being dumb. Okay. What's her response to that last one?
the hell?
What?
Oh, what the fuck is that?
Oh, there. Oh, yeah, anyways.
Okay, so she made a typo. She meant true, not try.
Oh. Okay. Well, anyways. So, I want to teach you how to make shapes.
Okay.
So, I've got like all the stuff already set up to like make shapes and stuff, as well as I think a clear function. Yeah, I made a clear function as well. Can you come to one setup.js?
Okay. I'm here.
Hi here, what's up?
For some reason, Angel still thinks we're dating or something. No, I don't know what's going on. She's strange.
Yeah.
She's the strange person.
Yeah, anyways, so you're in one setup.js.
Yes, I'm here. I see
So
you've highlighted this line of code.
yes, I can see your cursor going along smoothly. You don't ever really normally see that, huh? Anyways, so this line of code,
Mm-hmm.
it like has a reference. It makes a reference to the canvas in the HTML by getting its ID. So in the HTML, you need to have the canvas have the same ID that matches there, and
Okay.
then it does stuff with that. And now this line here, you see it?
Yes.
It makes a variable which you can, or a reference or whatever, to a part of the canvas, I guess, that lets you draw on it.
Wait, so I can draw on this?
Well, you no, not necessarily like that.
I know.
Actually, it might be pretty easy to make something like that if I
mean,
got the mouse position, which I entirely forgot how to do. Also, I don't even
made
have
this
compatibility for
thing on like this MIT App Inventor thing that's like visual code instead of like actual coding. I hate it like so much, but like I made a thing where like you can draw.
Yeah, I that was actually the last thing I did before I switched to this one because I got
It
sick
was
of how
mobile.
slow it was. Yeah, it also
Yeah,
is
it's
like a
like MIT
mobile
App Inventor or
output, even
something.
though, yeah, it is a mobile output, even though if you open it on the phone, it's horrible.
Yeah.
You can't even do anything with it. But I was actually doing that for my AP Computer Science Principles class, and I was taught in that thing. It's the first time I actually started writing code. Like the drag and drop part, you're able to actually switch it to just be writing code and then switch it back if it's error free. But it's horrible, to say the least. I think.
I'm observing you.
How do you observe me?
So in like the top right corner next to invite, you can like click their like you if you
Oh,
hover your mouse over them, it says observe and it just brings you to exactly where they are.
oh, nice. I can see you're observing me. Alright, so
Yes.
anyways, yeah. So you can do ctx dot begin path, ctx dot move to 0 0, ctx dot line to 100, 100, ctx dot stroke.
Oh, it works. I see a line now.
Yeah, it does that.
Oh, you made another line. You're making a triangle, Kitty Craft.
Actually, that other line was already there, but I could make a triangle.
Do it. Do it now.
I refuse. I made a square. Ah! Happy with the square? It's a square! So that's a square. You can make lines by doing that.
Yeah, that's
You
cool.
can have coordinates. Can you make something?
Sure. Hold on.
So just have lines and then move to go somewhere, or else it'll just make a line to that point. Also, you need move to at the start, or else it doesn't work. Or else it like errors.
X dot move
Two,
to.
put some coordinates down. Also, I'm gonna flip the
I'm gonna
Y.
go 10, 10. Oh, I put that there. There.
Translate.
GTX. Oh, dot line.
Oh wait, never mind. The Y is gonna be flipped, so the more you increase the Y value, the lower down it gets.
Oh, okay. So do I do negative then?
If you wanted to go up, yes, for the second number. For the
All right.
first number, that's how far right it goes. The second number is how far down it goes. Also, I have this
Yeah.
sort of translated already.
5 to 10. Oh, that's the console. Okay.
I recommend using larger numbers because the canvas is quite large. It's like 1024 by 1024, except
5
I
to
like
1,000.
fix the aspect ratio. Yeah, it's gonna look like 0 to 1,000. So
Oh, wow. It works. How good.
I don't think the Y stretches down that far. This is JavaScript, so I guess it lets you set lines to be where they would be outside of the bounds of the canvas, but otherwise that would be just outside. So
Yeah, I'm gonna go up like 200.
200. There you go.
Yeah, that looks okay. This is kind of difficult. I wish
Yeah.
it was easier to like figure out where you want like the coordinates to be. Like you could hover your mouse over like a certain area and it would tell you the coordinates of it.
I can figure out how to do that because I had that at one point.
Oh?
I had MX and MY for mouse X and mouse Y. I think in my first 3D engine, and I never even used it.
Wow.
Yeah.
You
So
you probably should have used that, I'm gonna be honest.
yeah, I just use the arrow keys to move around, but oh, I think I did that for the 2D multiplayer thing I made though. MX,
Code Stealer
MY.
9000.
Yes.
I love stealing people's code.
Of course.
Everyone's done it at some point, right?
Yeah, I stole quicksort code.
Hey, look, I made a box around your box. Do you like my box around your box?
Yes, it's a bigger box.
The bigger box around the box.
Uh,
I'm gonna watch your YouTube stream.
cursor.js. I don't know why, but okay.
Using JavaScript.
Yes. Uh,
Oh, cursor.javascript, bro.
cursor. Okay.
REPL. Dot.
Var loop equals set interval.
Don't you hate it when people like don't understand what like how hard it is to make something and you show it to them and they're like,
Yeah.
yeah, that's cool little tinny. You show them like the script and they don't understand any of it and they're like, yeah, that must have been really hard to make, I'm sure.
It took months of research for my thing, and it's like, wow, good job. You made a thing. I don't know. I
Yeah,
haven't gotten much of that recently. I guess it's because I haven't really been showing people. But, like, I mean, I think it's
I
like, I don't know. No, not that.
now that I'm like somewhat starting to understand JavaScript a little bit, I'm like, holy shit, that 3D engine is impressive.
Yeah.
Because I didn't understand it before. I was like, cool.
Yeah, there are
And
these
now I
things.
do, and I'm like, dang, it's so fucking good.
Yeah, there are these things called libraries normally, which you can use, which are like preset functions and lines of code. Like, if
Yeah, I know about like libraries and stuff.
I didn't use any of those.
Uh,
Yeah.
Oh,
I
are you God?
just
You know
spent
what,
a
man?
lot of time to research. You can actually plug in variables for those numbers, though.
Yeah, I know, but like, I don't really feel like it, so.
You could easily do it.
I know, but like, I don't want.
Scale equals 100 for
I'm making.
var.
Look, I made the boxes that are bigger than the other boxes, bro. It didn't work, man. What happened?
What do you mean?
Like, I pressed play and it didn't work. Or run.
Oh,
The
var.
boxes are gone.
Oh, I'm sorry, my code was incomplete. Try it now.
Oh, okay.
Scale.
Yay! We got the box!
Here's a for loop that does it for you. Uh, 50. Scale. Oh yeah, whatever. There.
Hold on.
Oh.
There we go. It's
CTX dot
perfect.
stroke. Yeah, but then it would be aligned to the previous one, so it just makes it slightly thicker looking. So there you go. Now look at that.
Oh my god, it's infinite. Now we need to move it.
Uh, var x equals 0, var y equals 0, plus x plus y minus y.
I
Huh?
don't understand any of that, but that's nice.
Yeah.
Oh, it turned into a weird pyramid thing. Look.
Yeah.
What the hell?
Change the x and y things to make it work. I did a translate. I like translated its position by these variables. So if you set this to 10, everything will be shifted to the right by 10. If you change this to 100, everything will be shifted up by 100. And this is in pixels. Do you know what a translation is?
No. Hey, Kittycraft.
Yeah?
Millions of years of evolution for a deformed pyramid.
It is the evolution pyramid. It's deformed.
Yeah. Oh, the size of it changed, bro. That's so cool. Oh my god. Hey, what if I change this to 200? What happens then?
Then that'll make the lines larger in size. Actually,
oh my god, the lines are so much larger.
it's probably best if you do it in a smaller scale, so then you can see the whole thing. If you run it now, you can see it all.
Okay, that makes sense.
And then you can change that number to change where it starts at.
This?
Yeah,
Okay.
that scale number. That's the initial starting
How
number.
about 500? Yep, that looks good.
You can also comment out your code entirely
Yeah,
by
it's like
doing
slash
this.
slash, right?
Yeah, but also you can do /*.
Yeah. Yo, what did I do? What did I do? What did I do to it? It actually looks good now.
What?
Look,
Uh,
look, run it.
you set scale to 1, so all the lines on there are going to be extremely thin.
I fixed it. It looks good now. Can I zoom in on it? Oh god, that is not what I meant by zoom. I tried to do control zoom and it just zoomed in my browser. I was like, what the hell?
Actually, I think you can open it in a new tab. Oh, that's weird. Oh, it clears it. I did that. I did that at one point such that it doesn't. Yeah, I could probably remove that, but I don't know. If you resize the screen while it's going on, it'll erase it. It's a part of the thing, because it's usually in loops. If cursor, mouse down. No.
Are you
Mouse
gonna make a
down.
drawing thing?
Huh? A drawing thing? I'm gonna try and make a little line or a little thing that tells you what my work is gone. A little thing that tells you where it is. Mouse was down equals true.
I was speaking to Angel and I like sent her stuff and yeah, she hasn't responded, so I'm just gonna delete it before she blocks me again for speaking about stuff she doesn't care about.
Well, I mean, if
I'd
you don't
prefer to
value the
not be.
relationship, you don't need to do that.
I know, but like I'd prefer to not be on very many people's block lists. I
Yeah,
don't like
I
being on people's block
understand.
lists. You know, I don't like it when people block me. You know.
Yeah, it's not nice when people block you. I can agree with that. Okay, here. I made a thing that tells you what your mouse is at.
Oh, that is so useful. I clicked somewhere and it said 9. That is very useful. Hold up, hold up.
This thing is broken right
You can
now.
hold it down. If you hold it down, it's funny.
Yeah, I tried to fix that, but it didn't work.
We should make like a drawing thing with this.
Yeah. Okay, so does this thing go... Mouse was down equals false, else... Okay, else... Mouse
Ray
was
Midwalker from
down...
The Rise of Midwalker.
What was that?
I don't know.
Okay, there. Now I made it.
Okay.
Now it still does not work. I don't know what is wrong with this thing.
What's wrong with it?
Oh, and mouse was down equals...
What's it doing wrong?
Oh, wait. If... It's... it's spamming it in the console when I only want it to do once. So I need to make this whole thing here. And it's still not working. What? If not mouse down, then set it to false. Otherwise, if the mouse is down, set it to true. Oh, wait, whatever. Dude, you seem to like it like this, so whatever. At least I have a if statement on there such it actually does it. or actually such that it actually does not spam it even when you're not wanting it to go. Okay. So anyways, now it's telling you where the mouse coordinates, even though they're not correct. The mouse coordinates are
Okay.
also incorrect.
How did you manage that?
How did I manage what? The mouse coordinates being incorrect?
Yeah, how'd you do that? What did you do?
To get the coordinates here in the first place, or the error?
To make them incorrect. What did you do? How did you do that, bro?
How they are incorrect is because of I took the code straight from another place, which like probably compensates for the mouse being in a different place. It seems like the origin is like in the bottom right corner for whatever reason, and I don't know, it's minus. Aha. Does this work? Minus.
You made a revolutionary discovery.
Okay. Minus that divided by 4. How about that? Okay, so this would be positive, so the y would be negative that. Yeah, coding's a whole bunch of math.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so
I don't
anyways,
like math.
well, if you want to learn how to make a 3D engine, you gotta like math.
I know.
Anyways, so
I also haven't gotten to any of like the fun math yet, though.
yeah,
Hey, do you know what trigonometry is?
study of triangles, and I'm taking it right now. Why do you ask?
Yo, you should teach me trigonometry.
Okay, well, I mean, I was thinking of doing that right now already, like some of the functions of it.
That's a nice trigonometry you got there, bro.
Oh, here's a joke for you. What did the acorn say when it grew up?
Nothing, because it's an acorn.
Geometry.
I don't get it.
Gee, I'm a tree.
Yeah, but the acorn isn't a tree.
Yeah, it is. Acorns grow up to be trees.
But didn't it throw up?
What?
You said, what did the acorn say to the tree when it
No,
threw
I
up
say,
on the
what did the acorn say when it grew up?
Oh,
Okay.
I misheard you.
Yeah. Do you want to make a separate script or a separate or just keep it in the same script?
Any.
Uh
Hey, have you watched Star Wars?
yes. I'm not a lunatic.
Okay, so you watched like, the old Star Wars movies
What?
with like Obi-Wan Kenobi?
Yeah, I've watched them. I don't really remember much of them since I haven't seen it in a while, but I have watched them.
Okay, well, do you remember at least, like the one scene where Anakin and Obi-Wan are dueling and like he cuts off three of Anakin's limbs?
It's like I have high ground now, right?
Yeah. And
Yeah.
Anakin's like, you underestimate my power. And he's like, I have the high ground, Anakin. Okay, so hot take. He should have just like, instead of leaving Anakin there to die, you know what he should have done? He should have climbed down to where Anakin was onto the not high ground. I mean, this wouldn't happen because Obi-Wan's always on the high ground. But he should
Yeah.
have climbed up it. He should have climbed down there.
Yeah,
And
he
then
should have
started
finished him
moonwalking
off. Yeah,
all over
yeah.
Anakin's body while shouting, Annie, are you okay? Are you okay, Annie?
I didn't expect that.
Annie, are you okay? Are you
But
okay?
loop, trig
Oh,
loop.
moonwalking all over the place.
Yeah.
That would have been perfect.
Yes.
Oh, I just realized your stream might get copyrighted because I did that.
No, it only gets copyrighted if the straight out music is played, I think.
Oh. Okay. I don't
Also,
know how copyright laws work, so
yeah. Hmm.
Angel
Anyways,
has been offline for like 20 minutes now. This is great.
hmm. Anyways, so
I'm
I
happy
heard
when she's
myself.
offline.
Yeah. Anyways,
I
you
mean,
you see the numbers I put in the loop, 1,000 over
1,000
60.
out of 60?
You know what that
No,
means?
1,000 divided by 60?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's like the. Do you know what that's for? Why I'm
Isn't
putting
it
that there?
1,000 divided by 60?
Well, yes, but I mean, why am I putting it there?
It's gonna make a triangle or something. I don't know.
No, that's the frames per
9
second.
and 14?
This is the code goes between the semicolons there.
Okay.
Code goes here.
Yes?
I mean this thing.
Alright. Hold on, I have to feed my dogs. I'll be back.
Alright, have fun.
Ugh. Ow, I fell.
No. Lol spam, you're trash. Hold up, lol. Well, lol. I need to be trash. Lol. I forgot I can't run into myself there. Lol. Lol. Hmm. Hello! Hey look, it's Worm. Hello. This is lag. I died. Hello, Worm. I died again. I'm dying a lot.
I'm here.
Hi here, what's up?
I'm doing good.
Hello.
I
Okay,
just fed my dog and grabbed a banana.
that's good. You fed your dog a banana. Okay. Anyways, about these
No. I
numbers.
fed my dog's dog food. I'm feeding myself.
Oh, okay, that makes more sense. I don't know why
I
you'd be
haven't
feeding your
fed
dog a
myself
banana.
in a while.
Actually, I might end up be eating myself in a while. I mean,
Yeah.
I might be
That
eating
sounds like a
soon.
good time, bro.
It's always no, it's never a good time to eat yourself.
Yes, it is.
Okay, sure. Anyways, do you see this number here? 1,000 over
Yeah.
60?
Yeah.
Do you know what a function is?
Uh-huh.
Set interval is a function.
Mm-hmm.
It has an input of code and the amount
Yeah.
of milliseconds between each interval.
Uh-huh.
So do you know what I just said?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thing have millisecond interval with code?
Yeah, okay, this is a function which is a 1,000-second.
Yeah, I know that. I was just like simplifying it down because I didn't feel like repeating you word for word.
Okay. So anyways, that's how many milliseconds there are, and there are 1,000 milliseconds in a second. So this part, it does 60 frames a second.
That's a
Okay, so anyways, var magic or int, because that'll make everybody angry. Okay.
What?
I don't know. I put semicolons after everything I type also. Do you notice that?
Well, yeah, you're supposed to do that, right?
Yeah, you're supposed to do it. Although, I mean, in JavaScript, it lets you run it if you don't do it. Although, then you can't do things like var yes equals 0. You can't have them on the same line.
Yeah, I know.
But, like, other programs, this is what's called a loosely typed language, meaning it allows you to make a whole bunch of different errors and stuff. Like, you don't have to be strict about it, like a strictly typed language or
Yeah.
whatever it's called, where it requires you have a semicolon everywhere and you can't do anything wrong when typing it or else it won't work.
Or like the first letter has to be like capitalized of every word.
Well, no, not.
No, there are some things like that, and they're so annoying. I hate it. What the heck is up with the RAM? Why is it so much?
I don't know. I was asking about that earlier. I mean, variable names are case sensitive. Int,
Yeah.
this will crash. Int is not defined. This won't crash because int is defined.
Nice.
Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna make a square function.
Okay.
Function square xy size. CTX that move to x minus size over 2.
When your online friend can teach you more about math than your actual math teacher.
Well, I mean, your math teacher is just training it for everybody else. If other people don't understand, then I mean, teachers always go slower in like public settings where there's a whole bunch of people listening. I always hear like homeschooling. You learn faster because you only advance once you understand the thing, and usually you do understand it faster than the slowest person, so then that just makes you go faster in general.
Yes.
So line 2, x plus that, y plus that, x plus that,
That's nice.
x minus, yeah. Just be patient here. I'm making a function. CTX dot stroke. No, I can come after. Okay, there's a square function. So I can do int plus plus. Do you know what plus plus does?
The dude mentioned it in a tutorial, but after that I stopped watching because I got bored.
Do you know what this does?
I know int means integer.
Int,
Plus equals probably means like
the variable.
that. Huh?
I'll just rename this for better comprehension because int is
Okay.
not taken here. Do you know what this means again? I mean,
I'm gonna guess the plus equals 1 is like, it's like whatever the variable, like it's like plus a 0, is since the variable equals 0. Right?
I don't think so. Do you know what this one does?
No. The variable. Oh yeah, that makes sense.
What does it do?
It's just, yeah, the variable is equaling the variable plus 1, so it's 1.
Okay, and if this starts at 5, what does it do now for each of the 3?
Then it'll be a 6.
For all 3?
I don't know for all 3, but I know the top one, right? I know this one will be a 6.
And this one?
Might be a 6. I don't know.
And this one?
Might be a 6. I don't know what plus plus does.
This one is just a shortened
Yeah.
version of this one. And
Okay.
this one is just a shortened version of this one. So in reality,
Okay.
they're all the same thing.
All right.
You can also do the same thing if you do the variable minus equals 1, the variable times equals 1, the variable divide equals 1.
Yeah.
They all do the same thing respective to what they do.
Yeah.
Also, this one can be the variable minus minus. I don't think
Yeah.
times and divide by would do anything, but
Yeah. Maybe when I get like good at JavaScript, I should make a thing where like it looks like a calculator, but like if you like type in a few numbers a certain way, it unlocks like a game, and then like it's multiplayer, so you can play with your friends. I'll just play that in
that
school.
last part, you make it sound simple, but it's the hardest part.
Oh well, my dog just got mud everywhere. Okay,
Yeah.
buddy. Maybe please don't get mud on my wall next time you decide to.
Hmm.
Stop burying your head in my blanket. Neptune, you menace. Neptune is just a menace. He's being a little menace right now.
Yes.
Yeah. I cut my finger on him.
Ah.
Part of his fur is like really sharp somehow, and it cut my finger.
Hmm. Alright, so anyways, all of these things do the same thing as each other in like their sections that I made.
Yeah.
So like these two are the same, these two are the same, these three are the same, and these three are the same. If I run it, it does not complain. Because this is not JavaScript, and I mean Java.
This isn't JavaScript?
I mean it's not Java. Not Java.
Okay.
Completely different things. No,
Yeah, I
actually,
know they're different. JavaScript is better, right?
in my opinion, yes.
JavaScript is like better for like web games, but like Java is
Yes,
better
because
for
you could
like
do
actual
things like
apps.
this. Var the object equals. You can make objects with properties, just write in variables.
How do you make a 2D like character that'll move around? I wish to know this knowledge.
To make it move around, that's an entirely different thing. But I could teach you how to make a square that moves around according to the game. If we're
Okay.
gonna add like controls and stuff, that's just a whole bunch of ifs. That's all like right next to each other, and I just don't like doing that. It just feels weird for me.
Okay.
Var. What do you call a number that just goes up and up and up and up?
Inf.
Inf. Inf.
Inf. It's
Inf.
shortened. It's the shortened version of infinite.
Inf.
Inf.
Oh, it just goes. It's just inf plus plus. So each time this interval goes through, inf gets a number added to it. So, so you can log inf, see what happens. Go ahead.
Okay.
I'm gonna turn this down to 5 times a second so it doesn't crash. You can just put it right here. The log, right here.
Log.
Oh, don't use the log function, please. Don't use the log function. Log function gets rid of HTML. I don't like it.
Console.log?
Yeah, console.log. Where's the log function? I'm gonna. Oh, it's not here. That would crash. Console.log. You wouldn't use quotes if you're logging a variable.
Okay.
Inf. This is just a variable name. Inf does not mean anything directly in the code, I think.
Yeah, I know. But you asked me like a number that goes up and up and up, and I'm like infinite. So inf. That makes sense, right?
Kind of. Infinite does not necessarily go up. It's just a value that's just straight out. The
I
highest
know,
number
but
you can
that's like
possibly
where my brain
imagine.
immediately went to.
Yeah, inf. I always use int because it's integer and it's an integer that goes up and up and up. Well, slowly.
Well, you can replace that F with a T. Oh.
Nah. Okay, anyways, you should add your
It's
semicolon.
at 200 and it's at like 200 now. Hold up. Time to
Oh.
crash this. This is gonna be so fun. Hold up.
Oh. Yeah.
I'm gonna crash Replit.
Actually, it doesn't seem to... I don't think it's going to crash with just this... Yeah, I don't know. Just stop
Okay,
it.
what
Just
if I have
double
like
click on
8
the run
things being
button.
logged at once?
Huh?
What if I log like 8 things that are all going at once?
It's not going to do much more. You can log the variable. You can spam log the variable. If you want to spam log something, I'd recommend using a for loop. Do you know how to use a for loop?
Sure.
Make a for loop that logs it.
Okay.
Just make a for loop. Have it run like for. What is this thing? You autofilling?
Yeah.
Hey.
I'm a fraud. I don't actually know what to do.
No, this is how you learn. This is how you
Why
learn.
the hell do I have like 8 different cursors on my screen? What the hell?
Just click somewhere. I don't know how you do that anymore. It's like I tried to do it. I don't know how to. Like, I know it has a compatibility for that, but I didn't know you could still do that. Just click somewhere.
I clicked off.
I mean, somewhere on the text. Like, there you go. Okay, so anyways, for. Okay, so now you put parentheses. So, okay. IDE be having trouble.
IDE be having trouble.
Did you just type that in? I don't see you typing it in.
I typed it.
Where?
I put it in the for thingy.
Oh. IDEB.
IDE having trouble.
IDEB having trouble. Yes.
IDE having trouble. What's
Okay,
wrong
so
with
do you know what a for loop does?
Yeah, it's like for as long as something is active, it'll loop, right?
Kind of, but like, what would you say you do
I
if you want
understand it from
something to run 10
Scratch.
times? Huh?
That's how I understand it from like
That's a
Scratch and MIT App Inventor.
MIT App Inventor. I mean, kind of. That's a while loop, though. But you could make
Oh.
a for loop out of a while loop, basically. It's kind of the same thing, but just different parameters. But anyways, how would you code something if you want it to run 10 times?
For 10, right? I'll like do for 10, and then it'll do the loopy loop thingy.
Do you know how to use a while loop?
Nope.
It's just while and then a condition, and then while that condition is true, it runs what's in the semicolons that come after it. You want to see an example?
Sure.
While inf smaller than 1.
Okay, my thing is like really freaking laggy. I'm gonna turn this down to like 5. My
Oh, did you have
replit
it? Do you
is
have it running?
fine.
Do you have it running in the loop?
I don't know. I don't know how to like.
Oh, I just turned off the loop.
Okay.
Where is it? Oh. And this. There. Okay. So, if you want something to run 5 times, inf equals 0, inf while inf smaller than 5, do this. So do you see this code?
No, I can't. My replit is just like dying and I can't see this at all.
Okay.
My replit hasn't loaded it in yet. It doesn't even register that you're on the sign because in JavaScript.
Can you reload your page then?
Okay. My replit just had like a miniature heart attack there or something. Oh god, it got worse.
Yeah. A001 loops. Okay.
My replit died, dude.
Can you open a new tab and go to the link, copy and paste it in?
I'm gonna wait for it to finish loading first.
Well, the whole point of doing that would be to skip the loading.
Maybe, but like, it's gonna have to load either way, so.
Yeah, but I've noticed for whatever reason, it seems to take longer to load a new page on tabs that are already loading something than to just open a new tab and have it load again.
Yeah.
Must you leave again?
Yes, I do. I
Cool.
have to go.
Oh, how long will you be gone?
Maybe like an hour.
Well, then I'll be gone then as well. I may or may not
Oh.
be on again. I'll probably have dinner now. Are you having dinner?
No, I have to do my chores.
Oh. Right at 6. Okay.
Yeah.
Well then. Have fun.
Yeah, I'll be back, maybe?
Maybe. I may or may not be back. I'm always open to doing this again if you want. Tomorrow, maybe. Sure. Be sure to mute yourself when you leave. Bye. You forgot to mute yourself. Okay, whatever. Goodbye. And my dinner's ready, so I'll be leaving now. Whoop-a-doo. I love my 3D engine. It's so nice. Hello.